The video surveillance industry is undergoing a radical transformation as HD megapixel technology becomes standardized and more affordable. Integrators not offering IP video risk being left behind. So what's the big deal? The differences between traditional high-resolution analog cameras and new HD megapixel cameras are tremendous, similar to those between old analog televisions and high-end 1080p HD TVs. Consider these facts. A 1080p image is 6 times the highest resolution VGA analog camera. A megapixel security camera's cost today is 55% lower than 3 years ago. 30% of all end users purchasing an IP video system were upsold from an analog system. Not sure where to start? That's where DWG comes in. 10 years ago, DWG helped installers and integrators transition from time-lapse VCR recorders to more complex DVR systems. Today, DWG leads the charge, ready to help your company transition from analog systems to superior IP video. With the best technical sales and support staff in the industry, DWG has answers to your questions and solutions for every application. Already selling high-definition IP camera systems? Great! You're ahead of the game. DWG is the preferred distribution partner of America's largest IP video integration companies. Why DWG? DWG is not your traditional box mover distributor. We help you select the right product from thousands of items stocked in our East and West Coast distribution centers. We have the parts and the knowledge to help design and implement the best solution for any need. We don't just sell products, we sell solutions.